Dear friends, we represent the ratio mathematically with a colon or a fraction. This is how we express it in mathematics. How does this work? In this way, for example, if we want to represent the ratio of 3 to 2 mathematically, it is 3, 2 with a colon. We can show it as 3 over 2. Below, we have our cute rabbits and cats. We will examine the ratio of these to each other. Of course, what do we need first? The numbers of these cute animals. How many rabbits do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I say that I have 6 rabbits. How many cats do I have? We have 4 cats as well. Let's write that down too. Okay, now we can move on to the ratio part. Our first statement asks for the ratio of cats. Look, cats to whom? To rabbits. We will pay attention to the statement. This is very important in mathematics, understanding what is said. When we understand what is said, mathematics actually becomes much easier. The ratio of cats to rabbits. Who is being talked about first? Cats. Then I immediately look at the number of cats. There were 4. I say that I have 4 cats, and there are 6 rabbits. So when it says the ratio of cats to rabbits, I need to express this mathematically, either using a fraction line or a colon, and I can represent my expression as 4/6. Would it be wrong to write the same representation like this? Of course not. It is a perfectly natural and normal representation. The expression 4 divided by 6 also shows the ratio of cats to rabbits. What does it say in the second part? Look, what is the ratio of rabbits to cats? I am saying that first I have been asked for rabbits, and I have 6 rabbits. There are 4 cats. The ratio of rabbits to cats is shown as 6 divided by 4. We could also show it like this, right? 6 divided by 4. This is also the ratio of our rabbits to our cats. So, what is our other expression? The cats. The ratio to all animals. I am looking to see how many cats you have. 4 of them. So, how many animals do we have in total? I mean, the total of rabbits and cats is important here. It's 10, right? 6 plus 4. 10 animals. When it is said that this is the ratio of cats to all animals, it can actually be shown as 4 divided by 10. You can also show the same thing in this way. And finally, it is referred to as the ratio of rabbits to all animals. We have 6 rabbits and a total of 10 animals. Or we can show it as 6 divided by 10.